Hey guys, I am super excited to be doing this demo video for you on YT Evolution. I'm going to take you from beginning to end and show you how to build out a complete niche-based video blog website in a matter of just a few minutes. Now this is perfect for those of you who are into affiliate marketing, local marketing, mass videos, and even those of you who don't want to create videos yourself, because you can piggyback off of the success of other YouTube channels and use their videos for creating a really powerful blog website of your own. So let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. This is the default theme you're going to import. So first you're going to get a domain name, which I've already got at extremesurvival.net. And what I done was imported this YT Evolution theme into it. All this is covered in the training. If you've never done it, don't worry, you're not going to be lost, I promise. But once you do all this, you're going to go into your WordPress dashboard and you're going to come down to the YT Evolution plugin and you're going to enter your YouTube API key. This is super easy to get. I show you how to do it and it only takes about 60 seconds. And once you do that, you want to go into your settings and you're going to make sure everything is set up the way you want it. Everything by default should be set up. The only thing you may want to change is the auto import status. So if you don't want the videos to automatically get published as posts on your site, you may want to change that to draft. Other than that, you want to go back to your dashboard. Now what we're going to do is start importing some videos, and we have several ways of doing this. First, we can add videos by URL. So if there's a specific video you want to import into your website, you can do that here. Otherwise, you can search by keywords to find a video series and just import random videos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to import an entire channel of videos. Or you can also do entire playlist of videos. Now, if you have your own YouTube channel or if your clients have their own YouTube channels, this is a super easy way to really impress them, to be able to import all of their videos into a website so they have a site of their own that will automatically update every time they post new videos. This will give them and yourself a lot more credibility and options to monetize. So we're going to go ahead and click on this link. And we're going to make sure the YouTube channel option is selected. We can also choose by playlist. And I found a YouTube channel already that I really like, and it's called Survival Gear. You can see there's 210,000 subscribers. They have a lot of videos on here, and I really like the titles of their videos. These could rank in Google, which would bring us a lot of extra traffic. So what I want to do is make sure I grab the channel URL of this YouTube channel, and we're going to do that by going into any video and then selecting their name right here. And you'll see up at the top the link says youtube.com/channel, so we know we have this link, and I'm going to copy it. We're going to go back and I'm going to paste it, and then we're going to do a search. And just like that, it found the channel. It says there's 404 videos and there's 210,000 subscribers, so this is it. Now over here you're going to see where you can auto sync it with new videos. So what this means is every time this channel uploads a brand new video on their YouTube channel, it's going to get imported into your website. So you're going to constantly have brand new content on your website, and you can add as many channels or playlists as you want into your WordPress plugin, so it's constantly importing and updating your site with new content. So we're going to leave this checked and go ahead and choose Save YouTube Channel. Now once this is saved, we're going to go back to our dashboard and we're going to go back to our channels and playlists, and here we can see where we added this YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and select it. And now we can see all the videos that have been posted on here. So we can scroll down through here and manually click on publish to publish these posts. We can skip them if we don't want them. And what we're going to do though is I'm going to come up here and we're going to do the first 20 videos. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to choose publish all. So this is going to take the first 20 videos that it's provided and it's going to start uploading them, or not uploading them, but importing them into your website as actual WordPress posts. And this is very important because most plugins on the market that try to do this same thing, they don't convert the video into an actual WordPress post, which means they're a lot less likely to get ranked in search engines. So you can see here it only takes about 5 to 10 seconds for each post, and what we're going to do is go ahead and wait for it to finish to do all 20. Okay, and just like that, in less than 2 minutes we have 20 posts on our website. So let's go check it out and see what it looks like. So here we go. So far we have all these posts that got published on our site, and we can click on any of them. And you can see the posts are very well laid out with breadcrumbs at the top, titles, the dates, social icons. You have the video, and then all the content was also pulled in from the video. On every one of these posts, any of this content can be edited, deleted. You can replace it, add your own, whatever you want to do. It is your website to monetize now. So let's finish customizing this site so we can see what it looks like when it's completely done. What I'm going to do is go back into my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to go to Appearance and Customize, and we're going to go to Theme Settings so I can add my logo, which I've already got ready, as well as my banners. We're going to select it. It's going to change it up here. Now it's been added. Now we want to go back. I'm going to go to the background image, and I'm going to change it with an image I've already uploaded. And now we want to change out the banner images. So let me go ahead and publish this. And then we're going to exit. And we're going to go down to our widgets. Okay, in our widgets you can see we have our sidebar here with an advertisement. So this is what we want to update with a new image. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my link, and we're going to paste it right here and save it. And then we're going to do the same thing with the header banner. We're going to click here, the advertisement, and I'm going to replace this image link with a new one. So we're going to paste and click save. And that's all there is to it. So now we can go back and view our site again. And here it is, finished. We have banners with advertisements with our affiliate links going to ClickBank. It is loaded. It looks like a very legitimate website that anybody would want to come to. Now, depending on what you want to do, this is a WordPress website, so you can add opt-in forms to it. You can add pop-ups to it. You can display call to actions throughout the site, phone numbers if you're a local business, whatever it is you're trying to do. This can fit your business. So if you're an affiliate marketer, a local marketer, a mass video marketer, or someone who doesn't create videos at all, you can still use this to create an amazing video blog website that you can monetize for your own use.